So I would like to invite first of all Anamika. Yes, Anamika, as our topic is environment, safe environment.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Anamika Sharma. You know well. So just I have started. Now I'm starting our topic. Today's topic is how to inspire people to save nature. So we know well we can't live without nature. Even we can't imagine. Imagine how to live without nature. It is very important for us. We take every breath because of plants. We are the first generation to know we are destroying the world, and we could be the last can do anything about it. So we have must develop awareness among people to care for the environment. We must raise our voice against cutting the jungle or trees, reduce plastic uses, use eco-friendly products, and save water. We should do water harvesting and growing more trees and plants. We should try to reduce pollution, and we can do recycling, so to save nature. And Vaksvaha, yes, we heard last back 2 months Bakswa jungle cutting. So it is a very bad thing. Actually, Bakswa forest cutting is not necessary because rare plants and rare species animal of the Bakswa forest will lose their home. Many birds and animals getting shelter for new generation. And so what is precious to us is the important. So we should raise our voice to against cutting this Bakswa forest. So we must save Bakswa forest. There is a mine, diamond mine. So government is approved the cutting the trees and digging the place, and it is not good. Actually, we have important nature and plants, water level in earth. So we should try to save our nature.
Yes. So
Yes.
as you said that the diamond is not necessary for, okay?
Not necessary.
Yes, it is not necessary because in search of materialistic diamond, we are about to lose actual diamond. Trees are the actual diamond. So next, I would like to call upon Deepmala.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Our today's topic is very interesting, and it is very necessary to discuss. In our culture, nature is like God. We all worship it. Nature provides us many gifts such as air, water, sunlight, minerals, plant. They all count for our life. So we need to save. And it's our duty to do something for that. We should conserve water. We should start recycling and dispose waste material. And tree planting is very important process to save nature. If we cut tree, so carbon dioxide is increased in our environment, and it is very harmful for us. And in our country, such people live who don't give even water, let alone grow tree. So we will have to inspire them by many ways. We will have to explain advantages of nature. We can sometimes we can make a poster and banner on environment, and we give advertisement on TV and article in newspaper. We should warn people about losses due to destroy of nature. We should include it in our children's education, and the school also organized different type activities on nature, and we can organize the tree planting program in our society and in our social group, because group activities are powerful technique to save nature. like before some time, ma'am, you gave us a task to plant a tree. It was very nice. We can gift some plant to our someone's birthday party and inspire them to plant tree. A few years ago, government has organized Swachh Bharat Mission. Which was very successful. So like that, government also bring out many other mission to save nature. It is a very good idea to inspire the people and save nature. And everybody should look out this matter seriously. If anyone destroy the nature, the government should act on them. And not only government, but we can also take on this work on nature. So I request you everyone, save nature and save our future. Thank you.
Yes,
Very
very
good.
good. Very nice, Deepala, and very nice things you bring saving our environment. So we need to avoid plastic bags. Instead of using, we have to use jute bags. Okay, and cloth bags we have to use for. So in this way we could
Yes.
keep our environment clean. So next I would like to call upon Sonal.
Environment. Our environment is important to us. We must take care of the environment and protect it. If everyone reuse, and recycle, we can keep our environment healthy and clean. A green and clean atmosphere is important to live peaceful and healthy life. We must stop and avoiding using poly and plastic bags, eco-friendly items to save our environment. If we keep cutting tree at this time in our countries, that day is not far when we will have to buy tickets to see tree in a museum. This line for Bakshawa forest. And last, we must grow one plant on our birthday, on our anniversary. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, very good. So it is necessary. We have to take actions in our daily routine. How could we save our environment? We could not say only that government is responsible for this. We people are also responsible for cleanliness, for saving our environment. So what other things we could do for saving our environment? Just I would like to call upon Kavita Di. Yes, Kavita Di.
Topic is how to inspire people to save nature. So I will encourage and setting an example for people around me to support environmental friendly initiatives like planting trees on a special occasion or on a regular basis. Second thing is by replacing non-environmental products with non-recyclable products with recyclable products, which are like we know plastic is not good for paper bags or other things. Third thing is by sharing blogs or news on social media to save nature and create awareness about the nature. How to save? There are many things. How to save water, avoid pollution. How to avoid pollution? How to avoid noise? There are many. So we can do to by sharing this news and blogs on social media. Thing is thing is we should have separate bins for dry garbage and wet garbage in every home. And fifth thing is we should join a group or volunteer in a group making positive impact on earth, and some groups which are doing something good for to Ajni, where MNC is planning to cut 5,000 trees for the development of railway station. So these are some simple actions, and also by giving eco-friendly gifts and recyclable products on birthdays or any occasion. These are some simple actions that we can all take to make Earth a better place for all of us. These are simple actions.
Yes. Yes, yes. Nice it is. And overall, you would like to say that we should use the products which we could recycle. We should cut down the products which that are throw away. That we are using and throwing the things. No, and as we find in marriage parties, ceremonies, so we find lots of plastic couplets and the products that we use and throw, and that also increase the polluted the environmental garbage, heap of garbage. So we have to use this kind of things. We have to use the things which could be recycled or reused. Okay, so we should cut down the products which we use and throw away. Okay, such very nice views, Kavita Di. Thank you so much. And next, I would like to call upon Neha.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Save environment. Every year we lost many plants and trees that have the power to make the air cleaner, and it can start with us. We have to start with the right handling of waste. We should start with recycling and the right disposal of waste material. We must stop and avoid using poly and plastic bags and prepare eco-friendly items to save atmosphere. A green and clean atmosphere is important to live a peaceful and healthy life. Thank you.
Okay, Neha, nice views. And now I would like to call upon Neha Gangrade.
Today is topic our environment, safe environment. Environment is very stable part is our lives and it is very important to keep our environment clean and healthy. In recent years, human activities have our environment. There are a lot of ways to protect the environment. We must save our environment because of the lack of fresh air and oxygen will be toxic for us if we don't care of our planet soon. Mankind will be in grave danger to start with. We must carry out simple to protect and our environment. Change begin when we step up and work towards it. We can plant small spellings at our homes and balconies to make up for the environment and in of trees. Connecting tree plantation in school also help us. The school lawns are used for planting very of trees. Now it is very important to take solid steps for protection of our environment from different harmful things. Otherwise, soon our environment will not be able to support life on this planet.
Yes, very nice. And good attempt, Neha. First time you spoke such a long speech, and gradually I think you will improve upon it.